Hey guys, my name is Serica. We are on location at Spoiled Mommy's headquarters for another shoot for one of our upcoming food lines, Taste by Grace, home of Grace Home Manila. I'll do it probably for 5 minutes.
Hi guys, my name is Meg and today I am the second camera operator and the social media manager, so I am taking all the Insta stories. Of course, being cam up and having to do handheld all the time, my arms are aching. But overall, the shoot is going well.
Product of cheese that place it here in style. Okay, so we're halfway through the shoot and we are waiting for Grace to arrive from her other shoot. So we're ready to roll by the time she gets here. And we've been very efficient so far. We're slightly off schedule, but we're still catching up with everything. So I think we're gonna end on time today.
Hi guys, I'm here. Okay, are you guys ready? Shooting something for Taste by Grace. You drizzle it on top of your salad. And of course, what's a spoiled mommy meal without some desserts?
This is actually one of the funnest shoot to date with the Serica Visuals team, mainly because there's so many good food on the set. The chicken smells really good. As with any shoots, there are always gonna be the Murphy's Law in play, and you know, that's something expected already. There are a lot of newbies here and the team, so we're still getting them up to speed, but you can see them trying really hard.
Are you laughing? You gotta roll.
Sorry.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's session. To the next one.
That wraps up the shoot. We started at around 10:30 earlier this morning and it's already 5 p.m. We're actually on the dot. Tomorrow we're gonna start editing this entire video, so I hope you guys watch out for it.
So it was noisy right now. So that was a wrap. It was quite. So that's a wrap. So thanks Serica and to the whole team for coming over and shooting today here at home. Till the next one.
And that's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.